Alright, so now we're going to look at comparing decimals, which is super easy as long as you remember to line up the decimals. Line up the decimals. Wow. Holy mackerel. Alright. There are going to be chances like of models, like if you have a model filled out, you can compare decimals by looking at what is shaded in and what's not shaded in, right? Okay. There's going to be number lines. You can put a decimal on a number line and another decimal on a number line and see which one's closer to 0. That would also give you a way of putting them in order. But mostly, if you just line up the decimals and know your place value, then you'll have no problem comparing decimals. So that's what we're going to practice right now.
Mr. Mood? Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright, on page 385, it says, the city park covers 0.64 square mile. That doesn't matter, does it? No. About 0.18 of the park is covered by water, and about 0.2 of the park is covered by paved walkways. Is more of the park covered by water or paved walkways? Okay, so I'm going to draw a little line here in a different color. Okay, what is it? If this is my decimal point here, what's this first box? 1. Thank you, everybody. 1. What goes in the second box?
100.
Good. Okay. All right. So if I write 0.18, where is my 0 going to go? Daniel. 0. Point. Where's my 1's going to go? Tina.
In the 10th.
Okay, and my 8, Jimmy? Good. 0.18. What is my second one I'm comparing? Levi?
0.64.
No.
0.2.
Okay, so it's 0.2. And what goes here?
0.
Good. All right, so now we can see which one's bigger. I'm going to look in the 10th place first. So, which one's bigger?
The 2.
The 2 is. So 0.20 is greater than 0.18.
Oh. Okay. I thought the 18 was bigger. I know. Because 1, 8. And this is just 0.2,
okay.
Not 0.0.
Alright, Malia's got a good point. She thought 18 was bigger than 2. This is 18, this is 20. Which one's bigger?
20. Oh, so it was just 0.2.
It is, but 0.20000000. Just because there's nothing here in this box doesn't mean there's not a 0. Right? Because 2/10 is the same as 20 over 100, right? Which is the same as 200 over 1,000. Adding a 0 doesn't change it. The placeholder for the 100th place. Okay, let's try another one. On 386. Okay, it says Tim has $0.5 and Sienna has $0.05. Who has more money? 0.5, 0.05. Look at the tens. Bailey, which one's bigger?
0.05.
Yes, Tina.
If it's so if it's in the text like 0.5, you can just add 0, but it would still be bigger. Yeah.
Well, see right here, this is a blank box. If we have a blank box, I could put a 0.
Oh,
Now, is 5 bigger than 0?
yes.
Yes, then the number's bigger.
That.
Okay, let's. Good answer. Good question, Brantley. Let's take a look at that. Which one's bigger?
Oh, I know.
These are the same. Daniel?
0.34.
Why?
Because 0.33 is it's 100 less.
So, if it's the same, I'm going to go next door. Now, which one's bigger? This one is still bigger.
It would be kind of weird if they were all the same, like 3 for 1, 3 for 10.
Okay, I'm going to give you numbers, and you need to figure out which one's bigger. So, the only thing I want to see on your whiteboard is, actually just write the number of the one that's bigger.
So I need to erase this.
You can erase the chart. I'll have the chart up there. What? No, I don't want to see your work.